here we have the mint, gonna wash it. And also the zucchini, guys, look at that. So big from the garden. Gede banget. So, kita mau masak. And here I have the chili garlic. Homemade. So guys, what I need here is just garlic. Cuma bawang putih aja sih ya. Kita bikinnya simple. And I also have the runder meat. This is beef minced. Oke, daging sapi cincang. I have 4 garlic. Kita bakalan cincang. We're gonna chop them. So it's a garlic here. I gonna to use the big onion. So here big onion already have half. Bawang besar, bawang bombay besar gitu loh. I just chop it. Okay. Side. Kita pinggirkan dulu. Nah, sekarang kita belah si zucchini. Okay, gonna to cut it into 2 because this is so big, guys. Super hot. So they are good. So I only use half. Aku pakai setengah aja. So kita pakai setengah. Gonna cut on the side. This is so big. It's so big, guys. You know what? In the house, only I eat this one only. So kita potong ya, just small piece. So like that, put it in the bowl. Inside here, I gonna take out this one. Bagian itunya kita buat nanti buat tempatnya, guys. So take this one, the inside. So first we take the olive oil, so like that. Okay, garlic and onion, butter, smells so good. Okay, the minced meat, daging sapinya masuk. Okay, just leave it for a while. So now we add the zucchini. Okay guys, we gonna add some paprika powder. So we add pepper. So I have a chicken stock here. I just use half of it, chicken stock, some salt, add more salt. Okay, more pepper because the taste is not yet good. Try it. Super. Now we add the mint. Smell good. So it's done guys. Simple, easy, delicious. You don't need to wait so long for this vegetable to fry. And I love it when it's still crunchy. Okay, off the fire. You can put this on the side here so that it's not burn, because I use a big fire to cook this one. Beautiful. So guys, time to put it on the plate. Look at my plate from the zucchini. That is look beautiful. Look at the gravy we have. This is without water, yeah, but the vegetable have a gravy salad. So here we go. We put some of the veggie. So good guys, and I have here extra mint. Yeah, okay guys, that is for my zucchini vegetable, and this is how I cook them. And look at that, how is that beautiful, from the garden to the kitchen and ready to eat. Thank you guys, hope you enjoy watching this video, and don't forget, like, comment and subscribe. You can try yourself. And why not? Look at that, it's beautiful with the gravy and all. Wow, cantik banget ya. Dah. This is, you can add this one on top if you like spicy also. Okay, this is chili garlic homemade. So okay, hope you enjoy watching this video. Bye, thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Jadi berhubung karena ada temannya suamiku, aku tawarin, dia mau. Udah, kita petik sekalian. Dan ininya juga, ini juga oke. So, nah.